One more quick note about the course. I made a lot of diagrams and slides, and I'm sure some of you will want access to them yourself. You can find the slides for every single section that has them, which is pretty much every section, attached to the first video. So the very first video in each section is always titled, What Really Matters in This Section? And it's a video where I walk through the different topics that I cover and I sort them into critical, important, and nice to have. And just give you a heads up about, don't stress about this and do worry about this. So attached to each one of those videos at the beginning of a section, there's a resource that says slides for this section. So you'll see that here, here's the installation slides, and you have access to them, right? The different commands. And the same holds true for all of the different sections. So if you want to learn more about the slides for, working with GitHub, go to that first video in the section, slides in the resources, and here you are. Okay, so that's all I want to say. First video of every section, I explain what matters in that section, but also that's where you find the slides for the rest of that section. Okay.